we all alone on Christmas? Baby, what'd I ever do to deserve all that? Can't we just like snuggle underneath the tree by the fireplace?